funds and don't want to use a cash machine, so they're looking for a place to camp.
Oh, what I hate to be.
There's a campsite here.
Oh, this is the meanest camp ever. Seriously, guys. This is
As Emma is unwilling to camp, they head into town to look for a cheap room, but there's little on offer.
What do you feel for?
Right.
I'm going to try it. Not sleeping in this
What do you think? I can't believe there being any point in this, though. See someone coming.